Today I am going to make lemon sevai. Especially kids love the noodle-like thing, and making with sevaya is wonderful. And the most important thing is the coconut chutney. Tempering for breakfast preparations like upma and all that. In this we are going to add the rice, vermicelli. Once you do the tempering, you eat this chutney right away. Once you put it on a coconut leaf, the coconut milk will be coming out. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at wherever. And today I'm going to make the most famous coconut chutney. If you see my very old chutney, I added 2 pieces of cashew nut. But on the streets, everywhere in the hotels, what they do is, after breaking the coconut, they use the coconut grater. They do not want to even get a little bit of brown. Look at how wonderful the coconut is. Surprisingly, a chilli also came here. So basically, they make this chutney by adding very little, one spicy chilli into it. And in this, they add a little bit of fried chana. Do not add this also much. At the end, the coconut chutney should be white in color. Fried chana is added to this just to give the consistency. Otherwise, the water and the solid get separated. This one will give a nice consistency. And to this, just add salt. On some occasions, I have seen people adding a little bit of sugar to this chutney. That's all. This is the most famous South Indian coconut chutney. For this, we are going to do a tempering of red chilli, mustard and urad dal, and of course curry leaves. The tempering also, after it is done, they make the chutney, keep adding the tempering into it, whenever they serve it. This is the most beautiful chutney of South India. Today, I am going to make lemon sevai. This is excellent for breakfast and even in lunch blocks, because especially kids love the noodle-like thing, and making with sevaya is wonderful. And the most important thing is the coconut chutney. To make this lemon sevai, you can use the wheat Semiya, or else you can use the rice one. So the rice one will give a lot more better taste. To cook also is very easy. You just need to drop them in the hot boiling, just like you put rava in making a upma also. But we're going to season it with lemon juice and make it so that this lemon sevai will be very tasty. So for making this, we're going to add some oil in a pan. So in this, we're going to add red chilli, add mustard, cumin, the chana dal. I love to add peanuts to this. In this, we're going to add urad dal, and on a slow flame, just make sure that the peanuts are nicely fried. Add finely chopped ginger, some green chilli. In this, add some curry leaf, and we're going to add some onion. Add some turmeric. In this, add salt. Add little extra because we're going to add a lot of water here. And in this, hing. Whatever I added, this is a kind of a standard tempering for breakfast preparations like upma and all that. And here, people add tomatoes and whatnot. But I'm going to make it very simple. In this, add water. Once this comes to a boil, then we're going to add the rice vermicelli here. We're also going to add the lemon juice to it to give it a very nice taste. In this, we're going to add the lemon juice, all the sourness to this, and salt is also perfect. In this, we're going to add the rice vermicelli. You don't have to mix this. This is a quick version of idiyappam also. I have made same thing pretty much with the idiyappam, if you see my old videos. But here, using the rice vermicelli, just mix this one time. This is going to absorb all the moisture and everything. In this, we're going to add some chopped coriander, reduce the flame, put the lid on. In the meanwhile, I'll do the tempering for the coconut chutney. That's it. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and this will be ready, because these are all like instant vermicellis. You need cooking for just 3 minutes. Look at this. This should be like dippable but yet soft. They should be kind of, if you put a spoon in the center, there should be some coconut milk coming out. This is the right consistency for the chutney, and let's do the tempering. For this, you can use any refined oil, little bit of broken chili. We're going to add mustard seeds and urad dal. You want the mustard seeds to crackle and urad dal to be slightly colored. That is when you will have this chutney perfect. Curry leaf, switch off the flame. The urad dal is perfectly done. Now, just with the oil, that's it. Mix this and you have this perfect coconut chutney ready. Once you do the tempering, you eat this chutney right away. Nice coconut chutney with good tempering is ready. Let's go and eat our lemon sevai. I have to show you what this coconut chutney mean. Whether it's on top of idli, dosas, appams, everything, they serve this. Once you put it on a coconut leaf, the coconut milk will be coming out. This is what will make this coconut chutney just out of the world. Wow. You know, I don't want anything. I just want this chutney that good. This is. Now, take this nice sevaya of lemon. I told you, just have to put it on top and forget it. The little fine noodle-like things, what else do you need in life? A good, hot, awesome, that too lemon-flavored rice sevai, and I want the entire India to enjoy great food. Lemon-flavored rice, we make so many things. Make this very simple, easy, taste absolutely awesome. Both one of them are excellent, but today I am excited about the coconut chutney because I think it's some time that I have eaten, nicely, freshly made chutney, that too at home, that too made by me, and I'm telling you, this is good. All I say to your friends, I request is make this, fuming hot. Eat it when it's fuming hot, and you will know the real taste. When you eat it this hot, you will remember, you will not forget to share this video. Share it on Facebook, share it on WhatsApp, and keep cooking great food. I read each one of your comments every day. Either I like it, I comment it, but I spend almost 2 hours a day just reading your comments. I want you to post those comments because that is what inspires me. See, share your videos to your friends and keep saying, Vareva. Make this fresh coconut chutney with a nice tempering.